Hi everyone! Let's review what we learned about symmetry. Next time you look in the mirror, try drawing an imaginary line right down the middle of your face, as if you divide it into a left and right side. The chances are it looks about the same, the both sides of your face, except that you may have some freckles and some scars, but the basic symmetry is the same. This is your face's bilateral symmetry, equal both sides, like a mirror. But not everything have this type of symmetry. Some have no symmetry at all, like sponges. They are asymmetrical. Another common type of symmetry is the radial symmetry, in which an element can be divided equally about a central point, much like a pizza cut into equal parts. If we get this pizza over here, here is the central point. Okay? So if we divide it into 4 parts, the 4 parts will look the same. So this time, instead of dividing one object into 2 parts, we are going to divide it into 4. So that's our pizza. From the central point, I cut 2 lines, and we can divide the pizza into 4 equal parts. This is called radial symmetry. It can be divided equally many times around this central point over here. It just depends on how much pieces of a pizza you would like. And one slice of this pizza represents one equal segment of the whole. So this segment over here, it's one slice that is similar to all the other slices. Let's check some more examples. In the plant kingdom, it is common to see radial symmetry in flowers. Flower petals tend to extend from a central axis into a radial pattern. Fruits frequently have radial symmetry. Think about an orange. The seeds within the fruit are distributed in a radial pattern. Sea stars have radial symmetry. It is divided in 5 ways around one central point. And today we will make our own radial symmetry artwork. We are going to create a project with these activities, so please keep them in a safe place so we will not lose it, okay? Let's start. Now, you are gonna mark the central point. How do you mark the central point? Open the paper, and where the 2 marks over here join, you make a little point. And again, the other side. This point over here is just a mark for you, so then you won't get lost when you're doing your drawing. Okay, now fold again. Where the little mark is your central point, remember that. So this little circle is gonna be facing you, okay? And over here, you are going to create a drawing, any drawing. I created my drawing. And now I'm going to repeat this drawing on the other side of the paper. So now just turn the paper my central point is over here. My central point is facing me. So here I'm gonna draw exactly the same thing I did on the other side. So flip the paper and let's draw it again. Now when you open the paper, you can see that those two drawings beside each other are creating something else. What are we doing now? Now you are going to open the paper like this and fold this way. Okay, so the drawing is inside now. My central point is over here. The central point is facing me. And now I'm going to draw the same thing again. On the two sides. When you finish, you open and you can see that you created a radial drawing. Why? Because all those four parts, they are the same. Now on this other paper, you are going to do the same thing. When the two drawings are done, you can color it. So when you finish coloring, you are done. Please keep these two drawings over here in a safe place because we are gonna use them very soon. And bye-bye.